What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live stream today. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for joining us today. We've got a lot of different content that I want to be covering in this live stream, and obviously go through what's happening in the crypto market. So first up, I want to speak about Bitcoin here, guys. What is happening with Bitcoin right now? And we are still in an untradeable position, right? So if you look at Bitcoin on the higher time frame, like the 4-hour and the daily, you can currently see that Bitcoin is still respecting this low, right? So Bitcoin's still respecting this level at around about 68,400, right? And until price actually closes below here, I won't be taking any shorts. And until price closes above here, I won't be taking any long. So basically, this range that we're trading in right now is going to be called the untradeable range. And what that means is I won't be able to take trades within this range. Okay, so until price actually starts closing above this range, then I'll be looking at some setups. But right now, I can't really take any trades for Bitcoin because of the fact that there's just not much happening. Okay, so yeah, this is Bitcoin right now, looking still good. It looks like we are getting a bit more volume to the upside, so we will be looking at some setups within this live stream. And yeah, just make sure you guys stay tuned for some setups, because right now, if you look at Bitcoin, look over here, we did take a long for 𝗕𝗚𝗡𝗙, and yeah, 𝗕𝗚𝗡𝗙 looks really good. If you guys want to enter this setup, it looks like we are looking to take out this high over here within today, 0.14187. This is the trade that I am currently in. You can see that right now price came down and hit our entry and came back up. So we're looking, excuse me, we're looking at a target of around about 6% for the setup. And you can see that the volume profile was over here, and we definitely closing above that. So 𝗕𝗚𝗡𝗙 is looking really bullish here, guys. A lot of the meme coins as well looking quite bullish. Yeah, so overall market looking really good. Like Atom starting to pump up here nicely. Yeah, so let me know what you guys comments, any thoughts on the current market. But overall market looks quite good. Bonk had a nice little pump today. And you can see with Bonk, the next key level is going to be 0.489, around about these levels here, 489. This is going to be the level that I'll be looking at. So Bonk's looking really good for the upside. Bitcoin still stuck in the range like we spoke about. So if you guys did just join, Bitcoin is currently stuck in an untradeable range for me. So right now I'm just waiting for price to close above this range, and then I'll look for potential longs. But until then, I'm just going to be patient and just wait for a potential trade. So what I'll be looking at is a potential long back up to these highs. Okay. So this is something that we can take within this live stream. So it depends on how the market reacts. But right now, the market is reacting to the upside. So we could potentially see this within the next couple of minutes here. We'll wait and see how the market reacts. But if price closes below this level, then we could potentially look for some shorts back down to 66. So I'm currently just waiting here, guys, on a setup. But essentially, this is what I'm looking at. I'm either looking for a long above this range or a short below this range. So it's one of the two. But yeah, it looks good. Looks good. And then CHZ, I'm looking for a long above this high. We had a massive pump on Sunday night. You can see we had a massive move to the upside. And then right now, it's currently forming this ascending triangle pattern formation. And essentially, if price can either close above this level here, then I'll be looking at a fat long to the upside here, back up to 0.14334. That's something that I'm looking for in the short term here. So CHZ looks really, really good soon. I'm just going to wait for that. And then obviously just going to wait for Bitcoin. Dogecoin's kind of been pumping today as well. So Dogecoin forming this head and shoulders pattern. So basically, okay. So this was the left shoulder, the right, the head, and then the right shoulder. And it looks like Dogecoin is ready to skyrocket here, guys. Dogecoin looks really good in the daily time frame. The 4-hour time frame as well looks really good. We're probably going to see Doge break above these highs. And then if it breaks above this high right over here, then we're probably going to see Doge back up to this level very, very shortly at around about 0.818745. So Dogecoin looks really good, guys. We'll probably see that within the next couple of days. We'll have to wait for that. ENA looks good. EOS, not much happening. Ethereum looks quite good as well. So if you look at Ethereum, Ethereum is breaking out here. Ethereum is actually breaking out here. So have a look here. Ethereum's about to break out of the highs. So what I'll be looking at is a potential breakout over here, and then I'll take a long. But it has to break that high. We have to wait for a candle to close above that zone. If it breaks above 3934, then I'll be looking at a potential long to the upside. Okay, so let's see what happens. We'll see what happens here. But essentially, that's going to be the trade for Ethereum. Filecoin breaking above here. So have a look at Filecoin, right? So we broke, look at the daily time frame. So we broke out, came back, retested. Now looking good to move here. And it's forming another pattern here on the 1 hour. A little bit of a breakout here for Filecoin. Looks really, really good. Phantom as well. So Phantom's breaking out of this range. So did we close above? We didn't close above the range, yeah. So that's important, right? We need to close above this range in order for me to take it long for Phantom. So on the 1 hour time frame for Phantom, I'm going to wait for price to close above this range. Okay. So I'll be looking at a long here for Phantom very shortly, guys. Phantom looks like it's ready to move. It's only like a 3% move though, so it's nothing crazy. But this will be the setup for Phantom. Looks really, really good. So keep an eye out for that. So we're probably going to take a setup in this live. So make sure you guys do stay until the end because there is a few setups that I'm waiting for here. XRP as well. I took this long for OP earlier, and yeah, right now I did actually get stopped out earlier, but it looks good for continuation. Yeah, does look good for continuation. But essentially, guys, this live stream, I want to speak about my strategy for the post approval. So we want to speak about what's been happening with the inflows. So essentially, you can see that the flows through the ETF, I mean, it's crazy, right? So this was on the 23rd of May. We spoke about this last week as well. There's just been inflows after inflows for the previous days. So essentially, that means that we're still bullish on the medium to short term, yeah. So overall markets, that's why I'm only really looking for longs today. Only really looking for longs. I'm not going to take any shorts today because the market's looking like it wants to move. Yeah, then Audi is looking like it wants to move as well. Looks like we want to see a breakout here for Audi. So if price can close above this level here for Audi, I'll be looking at a potential long to the upside. back up to these highs. Then stop loss below those lows. Okay. So overall, the market's looking good. What are your guys' thoughts on the markets? We obviously know that there are a couple of coins that are doing really, really well. If we have a look here, we got Notcoin. Notcoin's up 30%. Floki up. Floki's up 26% now. Bonk's about a pump, yeah. Check 𝗕𝗫𝗎. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to take the setup for Bonk here on the next 15-minute closure. Okay. Okay, so Bonk's looking good. I'm just going to grab my phone quickly so I can take the setup. Just give me 1 minute here. I'll play some music in the background.
As the ocean, diving that cash like I'm chosen. Then my 24 karat got you frozen, yeah. Put the boy on a shit, yeah. Hit me on the surface, let lurking. Overhit it up, then gon' make me nervous. 这里呼吸着，闪动不属于我的翅膀，Lucifer，不要慌，这不是我的名字呢。We got stuck the fish and bite me another round.
How's it, guys? How's it? Sorry about that. Yeah, so essentially, guys, we're waiting for this trade here to Bonk. Probably won't get it. Looking like it's about to move here. Bonk looks really good though. Bonk looks really, really good, yeah. So we're gonna wait for this. Yeah, it's a nice volume spike here for Bonk. Bitcoin's probably moving here. And then Audi as well. Audi looks good. We're gonna take a long here for Audi as well. We're waiting for this here for Audi. I'm gonna take this long here. So breakout, right? Breakout of the highs. Looks good. Didn't close above though. So if it doesn't close above, I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, I can't take it. Bonk is more reasonable, yeah. It's probably just gonna pump from here, but I want to see a bottom wick first. I would like to see a bottom wick first. Okay, so Audi's starting to move here nicely. Didn't close above, but still looks good. Audio has been getting smacked. It's weird, like some coins getting smacked, some coins not really. XRP starting to move here. ICP. That already looks good. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Dogecoin's about to move here. AVAX. Can't do much for Bitcoin here, guys. I can't. Bitcoin's kind of just chilling. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy. Yeah, I think Bonk's about to skyrocket here, guys. I think Bonk's about to pump hard. Bitcoin's pumping back to 69K. Everything kind of pumping, yeah. Solana as well. But yeah, basically for these setups, like for Bonk, we didn't actually get it. We took one earlier. I thought it was gonna bounce off this high, but yeah, it's looking really, really clean. But I mean, we still in these longs, yeah. Shiba looks really good. We took a long for Shiba this morning. Looks good still for continuation. Yeah, Filecoin broke above. But I don't think that this is going to last. It's important just to be patient now. So like I said, for BTC, guys, if you guys did just join, welcome. Essentially what we're waiting for here for Bitcoin is I'm waiting for price to close below this level and price to close above. Because right now it's just stuck in a range. So we need price to obviously get respected from this level. Once price can close above this level, I'll be looking at a long. If price can close below, then I'll be looking for shorts. But until then, can't do much. Just to stay patient. Because if we draw the volume profile, let's have a look here. Yeah, that's where the most traded is, yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can close above there. Let's see. Looks like Bitcoin does want to move here. So it's important just to stay patient, though, to see if we can close above here. But it already looks good, yeah, guys. We took this long in the beginning, yeah. So we are long on Audi. So let's see how this plays out. Bitcoin starting to pump here. Looks good. But yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on the current market? Obviously, the market's looking quite good. Bitcoin pumping nicely. Bonk about to pump from the previous day highs. Bonk target is going to be 0.004156. Yeah, everything looking good. Let's see how this plays out, yeah. It's pumping nasty though. Looks really good for Audi. But yeah, let's see what happens. I'll play some music in the background for you guys. And then yeah, let this trade ride.
Cheers. 当酒精浸透你每个神经，你再也不需要别人同情，只希望酒精能让你从心认识一切，看透这世间人情，给它百倍。当酒精浸透你每个神经，我们一起举杯，在一起同行，无所谓这中间重要是风景，何必在乎结果和谁输谁赢。跨越这大山大河，记住那大恩大德，一个真兄弟的肩膀胜过最少想拜佛。如今我大悟大彻，看世间潮起潮落，重要是家人和朋友，而不是放肆挥霍。家人曾伤心难过，而你曾把我瞒过，每颗流星划过夜空间时，眼泪不停闪烁出人前内心忐忑，锋利的匕首反握，准备杀死对手前身，让我来杀死懒惰。和兄弟一起就别自大，装逼的我就真心话，酒后吹牛逼耍酒疯，他都他妈是假黑怕，我酒后都是真心话，失去谁我的真心怕，一颗勇敢的心用整片太阳都装不下。I want real life, real life, real life. I want real life, real life, real life. I want no light, no light, no light. I want no light, no light, no light. 看得见善与恶，分得清对与错，走南闯北看过形形色色，一路闯过祸，也曾抽过神仙草，发现真没神仙屌，因为神仙都是假的，况且你抽的是草，经历了漫天黄沙，早习惯四海为家，远离让你魂牵梦绕的那些有毒的话，别让友情太廉价，世人都不会眼瞎，分得清什么是真心真意，什么是奸诈。I was drinking in the car, backseat writing 16 bar, my phone shut down, that's what's up. Right one vodka, drinking in the car, backseat writing 16 bar, my phone shut down, that's what's up. Right one vodka. I want real life, real life, real life. I want real life, real life, real life. I want no light, no light, no light. I want no light, no light, no light. 即使生命之水，也会是天使之泪。这一杯装进了胃，需要岁月去体会错与对。虽然有时难以分清白与黑，别管谁，取消随机匹配，喝酒人得对。对于无聊的猜疑早已觉得累，喂，无理取闹的行为劝你快收回，直到你已经喝醉 Tequila， 我再来一杯，因为这一回不再像是 MJ 的 CCC， 比谁嘴上说的多，真做就那么几个，醉生梦死就是喝，最后也没剩几个，所以难得糊涂，19最难喝，越想清醒的身体最难过，你可以选择它，也可以选择花，但是 是你选择不了，扮演了这个世界的拔河曼。为了我的家，为了还能听到的真心话，为了肩膀上面扛的，一起再来个下。通你每个神经，你再也不需要别人同情，只希望酒精能让你从新认识一切，看透这世间人情。跟着摆当酒精浸透你每个神经，我们一起举杯，在一起同行。无所谓这中间重要是风景，何必在乎结果和谁输谁赢。
Yeah, so guys, basically, if you guys did just join, we are long on Audi. We missed this long for Bonk. Looks like it's about a pump. Bitcoin, the problem is with Bitcoin right now is if you look at the chart, this is your volume profile. Every single time we tap into the zone, we get rejected. So we need to obviously close above this level here on the 30 minute and the 15. Yeah, so the 15 minute has to close above this level here. So we'll be waiting for that. But yeah, overall market, like I said in the beginning, currently in an untradeable range. So Bitcoin's kind of been ranging for the last 3 days. So we need price to obviously price to obviously break below this low or break above this high for Bitcoin. But right now, just gonna be patient. We just long on Audi. Beautiful trade, yeah. Yeah, have a look at the 30 minute. This is crazy. But your overall market looks good, guys. I do appreciate everyone joining. We are long on Audi. We should be mainly just trading the altcoins like Bonk and shit because this is where you can make the most. But yeah, even Floki is up 27%. Notcoin's up 26%. Bomi is up. That was a great setup. Whiff is up. Bonk. Everything's kind of up here. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys did learn something. And like I said, for Bitcoin, currently in an untradeable range. Waiting for price to close above this level here or close below this level for sells. But I'm more looking for buys right now. But I do appreciate everyone joining today. And I will see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday, sorry. But yeah, thanks. Have a good weekend. Have a good week.